Once again, it's on, folks. Welcome back. It is time to open another box, and this one is from Hawaii. Beach Bum is his, that's why he goes by, Beach Bum. But before I get to the box, let's open my beer with my Carolina Chris Outdoors bottle opener. He sent me the metal part. Today's beer is from Birdman 649 Stegmeyer Winter Warmer on a summer day. 7.8% alcohol by volume. And I'll be using my straight fit Colorado koozie. This is not the adjustable one. This one is a straight fit. I like this one too. Colorado Bushcraft. If you guys want to get some gear from Colorado Bushcraft, I'll leave a link to his channel so you can check him out. He's got some excellent gear. Enough of that. Time for my beer. Wow, I already had two of these. This is my third one. But look at the beautiful red color, man. 7.8% alcohol by volume. Thank you, Birdman 649. Cheers. Man, this is a nice one. Straight to my koozie. Yup, it won't fall through. Now, for the box from Beach Bum. Wow. It looks like I have some goodies from Hawaii, man. Wow. Check this out. Mauna Loa. Island Classics. Cool beans. Hawaiian Host milk chocolate covered macadamia nuts. Pretty cool. Yeah. It looks like a pastry. Yeah. A lemon pastry right here. And Lil Loco. Lil Loco. Yeah. Lil Loco. Alright, Beach Bum. Thank you very much for your gifts and support on YouTube. Cheers. Let's taste the Hawaiian Host milk chocolate covered macadamia nuts. Pretty cool, something different. Check it out. And one for Darlene. Those are delicious. Three-can gift collection, Mauna Loa. Maui onion and garlic macadamias. Sound good with beer. Honey roasted macadamias. Dry roasted macadamia nuts. The chocolate is delicious. Thank you again, Beach Bum. Let's pop open this Maui onion and garlic macadamias. Check it out, fresh. It smells delicious. Check it out. Mmm. Mmm. Love those. Now let's go for the honey roasted macadamias. That's how they look. Mmm. Man, those are some good nuts. Cheers, Beach Bum. Man. Let's try that rye, bro. That's how they look. Mmm. Mmm. Wow. Man, I have never tasted nuts as good as these. I have tasted macadamias before, but this tastes great, man. Wow. The Maui onion, man. The garlic and the onion, perfect combination. Wow. I'm gonna save these for a different occasion with some tea or coffee. I'm due for a coffee video. I gotta send some coffee on the mail. Once again, thank you, Beach Bum, for the treats. I appreciate your gifts. Cheers. Alright folks, like I said it before, and I'll say it again. I open gifts on video to show appreciation for the sender. Cheers. Beach Bum, Colorado Bushcraft, and Birdman 649. Alright folks, them mosquitoes. Alright folks, I'll leave a link to Beach Bum. Check it out. He's got some older videos, mostly surfing in Hawaii, of course. Check him out. If you like what you see, give him a sub. See you guys in the next video.